I am originally from Puerto Rico, and that's another thing that's just so nice about this site is just the diversity that we have here. It's only a site of about 70 people, but we have 25 to 30 countries represented here. So our potlucks are a lot of fun. We get to try a lot of different foods. My name is Daniel Beltran. I'm the HR manager here at Gaithersburg, Maryland. I had a degree in microbiology, and I thought I was going to be a doctor, and I think I got too intimidated by the costs of going to medical school. I just couldn't take that dive, and so I went working at labs, and I was also helping research cell therapies, but it wasn't as fulfilling doing the actual day-to-day work of the lab and just doing the same tests over and over again. That wasn't for me. In college, I was in training and development roles and just went back to that, and through training and development, I got an opportunity to be in HR. I really enjoy working with people, helping them do their job at a high level, helping them learn new things. And when I saw this organization manufacturing those cell therapy bags, it just spoke to me. It also felt like I was making a difference in people's lives, which was really also important for me. My mom had breast cancer, and so I am doing what I enjoy. I'm the HR manager, but I get to also know that I'm supporting a manufacturing site that's helping in the cell therapy space. And because of my background, I enjoy that. So when I'm wearing my HR hat, supporting the team from performance management, helping with general questions from pay, benefits, those are the types of things that we do. We also like to help with engagement activities. I think Saint-Gobain is a great company to work for. Not every organization provides you with the opportunity to grow. I think at this site, one of the things we've been very proud of is we do try to offer careers for our associates here. That is also part of what drew me to the organization, and just feeling like I could help do something, even if it's just as an HR manager here at this site, and really grateful for the opportunity.